When the switch key lights, the machine is powered on. Press the switch key, the screen will display temperature and time. These buttons are time, increase, decrease, and start. There are 3 buttons: Model key, Custom key, Auto key. Press and hold the temp key for 3 seconds to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Press the temp to set the temperature and adjust the temperature with the increase or decrease button. Press temp to set the time and adjust the time with the increase or decrease button. First, press the switch key to start heating. The start key will feature a long green light and beeps with the original set temperature. Pull out the heat plate. We can see the heat press mat. There are rubber bands for fixing. Let's place the cloth and the heat transfer liner. Now it's done. Let's take a look. The Auto Heat Press has 4 fast modes, each for different products. Press and hold the model key for 3 seconds again to exit. Mode 1, PU HTV. The heating temperature is 300 Fahrenheit. It will take 50 seconds. Press start to begin heat pressing without setting the temperature time again. Mode 2, Glider HTV. The heating temperature is 320 Fahrenheit. It will take 50 seconds. It's suitable for various materials such as textile, wood products, ceramic products. Mode 3, Transfer paper. The heating temperature is 330 Fahrenheit. It will take 20 seconds. To improve optional safety, the placement area is separated from the heating area. Mode 4, Sublimation paper. The heating temperature is 390 Fahrenheit. It will take 40 seconds. Fast heating time makes the product stand out in the market. This auto heat press has 2 user-defined memory modes, which can set temp and time as needed and memorize the usage habit. Last, the auto mode is quite convenient and intelligent. It combines the features of fast ironing and user-defined modes, which make it easy to create a batch of similar products. Press the auto key to start automatic ironing, and the display icon lights up. Once the heat plate is pushed well, the machine will press down automatically.